This will be kind of a short video because it's really cold outside. I will show you how to properly use Ford factory remote start and how to troubleshoot it if it doesn't work for some reason. And I will show you 3 most common causes for it not to work. So first I will show you how to basically use it, because some people still don't know. Okay, basically on the key fob there's the top button, which is a remote start. It says click twice to start it, but that's now how it actually works, because this will not start the vehicle. First you have to click the lock button and then this button twice, and this will start the vehicle. Now if this doesn't work, now I will show you 3 things to look at. Okay, thing number 1, if it doesn't work, change the battery in the key fob. That's the most common cause why the remote start doesn't work. Once you have a new battery in, if you're still facing difficulties, then go start the vehicle, and you'll have to go use this small joystick keyboard here, whatever it is. Go under settings and then scroll down. I'll actually go under the vehicle, and under the vehicle we have a couple of different options. You scroll again down to remote start, and then you have different options here to set up your remote start. Actually, you can set up the climate control, duration of it, quiet start, but if you go under the system, here you can actually enable it or disable it. If it's disabled here, it will not work, obviously, so this has to be enabled. And the third thing to look into is under the hood. So pop the hood. This thing here is used for a remote starter. So basically, when your front hood is closed, this button here, whatever it is, has to be pushed down. If the front hood is not closing all the way and this button is not like this, the remote starter will not work. So you will have to adjust the height of your front hood. And you have those 2 pins here just under the hood. There is one here. There is one here. So to have the hood closing more tightly, you'll have to turn this one of the ways so it gets so closes better. It's very cold here outside, so I won't be doing it, but just turn this one way or the other way, and that will help the hood to be closing lower. Okay, this is the pin once again. If that doesn't help, you can probably play with the connector down here and try to get this pin a bit higher. You can even put something underneath it, but that won't be necessary if you adjust the height of your hood. Okay, that's it.